Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did the super cute boho twist. Keep on watching. So in my previous video, I tried the viral TikTok boho braids. If you have not seen that video yet, click the link above and check that out. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I did the super cute boho twist. Now let's compare the two really quick before we get into this video. Absolutely love both styles. Super cute, low manipulation slash protective style. Great for the summer, great for the spring. I would even say great for the fall and winter. This is just an all-around look for me. Absolutely loving it. But I will say, because I'm used to doing twist outs and I'm very comfortable with doing twists, doing these boho twists were a whole lot easier than doing the boho braids. So this look took me about an hour and a half. And these are smaller than the boho braids. However, the boho braids took about 2.5 hours. Now, again, absolutely love both. But if I had to choose, I'm gonna say I'm team boho twist. Let me know in the comment sections which one you prefer, the boho braids or the boho twist. So now let's get into this video. Keep on watching. Okay, so for these boho twists, I used products from Camille Rose Naturals. As you can see, my hair is super, I don't know if you can see, but it's so moisturized. Like just touching it, you can see and feel the moisture. I'm so obsessed with these. All right, let's get into the products that we use. For the very first time on my channel and for the very first time, I use the brown butter melt. If you have not used this product yet, if you don't have it in your stash, you're missing out. You're missing out. So I got this brown butter when I went to the Butte Noir Fest that was held in Atlanta. Such an amazing time there, but this was one of the products that was in the giveaway bags. This brown butter melt is amazing. So it is made with mandarin oil. It's a mandarin oil hair balm crafted to nourish, shine, and hold your style in place. This butter is amazing. So this is what I've used so far of the butter. Smells good. Feels good on your hair, so moisturizing. So that's what I use to twist my hair. And I did start on an old twist out. So this is not freshly washed hair. This is on an old twist out. So it is semi-stretched, kind of, sort of. And then to define the ends and the pieces that I left out, I used none other than Curl Maker, which is made with marshmallow and agave leaf extracts. This is also a must-have. So this is what I use to define the curls. And then after I finished twisting and defining, I went in with the Spiked Honey Mousse, which is a 4-in-1 styler. This product is bomb. Like, it's made with nettle root. It's a lightweight setting mousse infused with honey and nettle, crafted to smooth strands, boost shine, and set styles. And it did exactly that. So let me show you exactly what I did to create this look. Keep on watching. results. Absolutely loving these boho twists. Give you a quick 360. Absolutely loving this look. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this look. If you've tried these boho twists, if you will be trying them, let me know in the comment section below. As always, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.
Capital B, capital O, capital A, capital F. Both.
Both?
Both.